Wiisagi-Ma'Iingan, the Coyote. Wiisagi-Ma'Iingan. In the Anishinaabe language, the way we describe coyotes is the bitter wolf. Because you see, so Ma'Ingan is wolf, and a coyote is a Wiisagi-Ma'Iingan. He's a bitter wolf. Because back in the days of the grandfathers, the wolves became the brothers to Anishinaabe, but the coyotes never did, and they were always bitter about that. They didn't like it that it took the wolves eventually became our pets. They became dogs, but the coyote, he stayed more wild. He's cousins to the Wagosh. He's cousins to the fox. And so, the coyote and the fox, they were always stealing from the people, from the Anishinaabe. And so, back in the old days, when the wolves and the original people were becoming friendly, it took great bravery on both sides. The wolves were afraid of the people, and the people were afraid of the wolves. But they decided, if we're going to be friends, we have to face our fear of each other. And that's how we became brothers to the Ma'Ingan, to the wolf. But the coyote, he was the bitter wolf. He didn't like it that we were friends with the Ma'Ingan. He was jealous because Wiisagi-Ma'Iingan, Wiisagi, bitter Ma'Ingan, the bitter wolf. He was selfish. He wanted to kill the chickens and the sheep, and he would steal the eggs. He and the fox. And so they decided not to be the brothers to the Anishinaabe. I don't know. What am I talking about? I'm trying to make up a story to justify why we called him the bitter wolf. I don't know. But yeah. Hoka hey. Aqua de Ewin. Aqua de Ewin. Bravery. I was thinking about the 7 Anishinaabe values. And, they're not really like the Anishinaabe version of the 10 Commandments. They're more like the good version of the 7 deadly sins. So how they got, gluttony and vanity and whatever, rage. Those are things you're not supposed to do. The 7 Anishinaabe values are things you're supposed to do. Ways you're supposed to be. So you're supposed to be humble and truthful and respectful. These are good ways of being. But I was thinking about bravery. Aqua de Ewin. And what does it mean to be brave? It doesn't mean, because one of our values is humility. So if you're humble, that's good. But at the same time, if you're going to be brave, is that being confident? But now, I don't really have a problem speaking in front of people. If there's a stage and somebody said, hey man, you got your choice. You can either be in the audience, or we can give you this guitar and you can go up there and sing some songs and tell some jokes to all these strangers. I'd be like, yeah, I'll go up on stage. that would make me feel more comfortable. But for some people, to speak in public, to speak at all, and certainly to sing, is the scariest thing. So for them, it would take bravery to speak in public. But for me, that's not bravery. That's just confidence. So what I think bravery is, it's doing the thing you really don't want to do, that you're afraid to do. You know? It's not brave for me to do something that's easy for me. It's brave for me to do something that's hard. But and it also don't mean just be reckless. Some stuff you're afraid to do is because that's sensible. I'm afraid to drink and drive. Oh, you should face your fears. Don't be a coward. No, it's not like that. Sometimes it's smart to be afraid. But when it's the thing, there are some things we're afraid of. Usually it's what other people will think. We're afraid to stand on our own, to have our own mind, to be our own person. People are afraid that if they're honest, which is another one of our values, that people will stop loving them, that they will be all alone, that they will die. But it takes great aqua de e win to face whatever it is you're afraid of. What are you afraid of? Are you actually afraid of being successful? Are you afraid to be happy? Some people, all they know is to have a life of conflict and disappointment and depression. And they'd be like, if I'm not this person, who am I? Some people are afraid of change. They're afraid to let go of the past. It's like, well, it may not be good, but at least I know what it is. Maybe you're afraid to quit your job. Maybe you're afraid of getting fired. So you do all kinds of things. You're motivated out of fear rather than facing the unknown. Getting deep. All right. Well, hey. Yeah. So the coyote is the bitter wolf. And bravery is not confidence. Bravery is facing your fear. And I want to wish you the best of luck in you facing whatever it is you're afraid of. It's by facing it that it no longer has power over us. Everything's... All right, I gotta go. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. I don't know if this was funny or a waste of your time, but here's a song by Michael Lyons, and it's written by... Who did this song? It's John Denver. Oh, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Lyons doing John Denver. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go, and I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I'll tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. And close your eyes, and I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come, when I won't have to leave alone. About the time I won't have to say, oh, kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, how I hate to go.
Michael, that was beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. Oh, breaks my heart.